Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Chill. Okay, everyone has to say
It's
it. Ready?
Monica.
Okay, everyone has to say it, okay?
What?
Ready? Like, we have to all say, hey guys, welcome back to our channel today.
Okay, yeah, I can't remember all that.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome. Why are you guys so quiet?
I'm trying to.
Why are you guys so shy? Okay, ready, set, go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're at Target.
We're doing the challenge that we weren't gonna do.
Hi guys.
Well, we didn't vlog it because Mr. got in trouble.
Both of you guys. Okay.
No, he started.
Okay.
He started
Okay,
the
shh.
Oh!
Guys, you don't have to. So today we are going to be.
We're not gonna get the toys. We're getting snacks.
Today we are going to be doing anything. Can you? Okay, so
I have a jacket
today
on.
we are going to be doing anything.
The Thevfamily.
Anything we can carry, shield by challenge, but okay, say it.
So there is a
Like twist.
there's a twist to it. They're gonna be timed for 30 seconds and they're only gonna be able to get snacks. Anything that falls, they cannot get. So anything that falls to the floor, you can't get.
So we'll see you in 3, 2, 1.
I didn't know it was gonna hit me.
I'm sorry, Papi. It was my fault.
Can I take this off?
Sorry, mi niño.
No, Corona.
We just had a little accident. I slammed the door into Nico's head. Sorry, Papi. Huh? Alright, we're gonna get a cart because I am going to.
Look, my favorite movie does. I got it. Oh, they have. So,
Alright, where's the aisle?
right here.
Okay, so we're in W12. Cookies,
No, wait.
crackers.
These are snacks.
Yeah. So,
Wait,
I
what?
just hit the camera.
I can see you.
We are going to put a timer.
I can see you guys. Yeah, because you have little holes. What's up? What's up?
I'm going to put a 30-second, not 30 minutes, 30-second timer. And they have 30 seconds to grab. They're not allowed to put it in the cart.
Wait, we're not allowed to get these things.
You're not allowed to put it in the cart.
No, we can get anything we want.
Anything from this aisle, but you have to carry.
Like, we could get these
Oh my God,
two.
yes.
Mom?
Huh?
We could get these two.
Yes.
Okay.
Anything, but you have to carry. You cannot add it to the cart.
Hey, Nico.
And you cannot say Nico hold it or Sebas hold it or use your shirt or your jacket to put
I'm
extra
using that
stuff.
for the snack.
Those are good ones.
Alright, ready.
All right, hang on, and don't be screaming either.
Well, I have to hold this because it's really good. Did the time start?
Not yet. Hang on.
You started it?
Not yet.
I know what you're ready.
Okay. On your mark,
That's it.
get set, go.
I'm gonna go get it.
15 seconds. Six seconds.
Wait, what?
6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Come on, bro.
Hands up.
We got the same thing.
Hands up. All right, let's see what you got. Let's go to the cart. Let's go see what you guys got.
Come on, now we got bananas.
All right, hang on. Don't put it in the cart yet. Don't put it in the cart yet. Uh-oh.
I do that.
No, you're not allowed to trade. You're not allowed to trade.
Then why did you say a different one?
No, you're not allowed to trade.
Okay,
Okay, let's see. What did you get, Sebastian? He got all chocolate cookies. He got Chips Ahoy and my favorite, dark chocolate.
Wait, is there light chocolate?
You can't. All right, Chiqui, what'd you get? Let's see, Flaco. His stuff is about to fall. Party size?
Yeah.
Nico, bad boy.
Okay.
All right, so put it in the cart. Make sure it doesn't fall, Nico.
I want barbecue. Can I put it in the cart?
Mm-hmm.
But not everything, not everything.
All right, hang on. What did you... What? Bro.
And then
I was looking for gummies.
Oh, Nico dropped the dark chocolate too. And he got cookies too?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And Ali got
I want
Takis
Takis, Flaming Hot Cheetos,
and
Funyuns.
Funyuns.
The same thing Sebastian got, and spicy burritos.
Oh my god. All right.
But they didn't have it, so yeah.
just come to Target and buy these. Why do you ask? And why do you ask me?
Wow, boy. All right, let's continue. Mommy, I want to look at something
Can I
else.
take this off?
You can't. You can lower it down a little bit, but you can't take it
You
off.
could do this. Oh, make sure to get Takis.
I should have gone nitro Takis, but it's fine.
Are those spicy?
Not really.
We should come to candy.
We should have come to candy items.
All right, next. Come here, Nico. Nico, come here. Next challenge is a candy challenge.
A big bag of like party size of puffs. Cause my brother loves puffs, and I like Oreos.
That's actually your favorite.
He loves puffs. I can see you guys.
I'm surprised Sarah didn't go for the puffs.
Mom, I went for the cheese puff. That was so bad that time. He probably didn't even put like. Look, we have a bike. Look, the bikes. And look at them right over there. This is the bike I want. The one right there. But I already have a bike. It's a green one. So I can't get a bike. Look, they're looking at bikes.
26 is going to be too high.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Guys, look at all these games and clearance.
Oh. Hold it. Okay. What's this?
This one looks pretty cool. Nickelodeon slime for $6. No?
Too expensive.
It looks weird.
What's this? Oh wait, Mom, would you buy me these? This?
What's that?
I don't know. Oh no, cause it really has batteries. It has a
Oh, this is more stuff on clearance?
Oh wait, look! Outside stuff.
Outside stuff? Let's see, where?
What the? What?
Get ready to play.
No, don't touch anything.
You will need lightning reflexes to win. Work it up.
The first time the skin was so bad.
Yeah, that was pretty scary. All right, let me go check out the bike Ali one. Let's see, Ali. So we can all have a family riding trip. Well, that's nice. 24.
Please? Yeah. Mom, can you give
Oh, look at his bike, right next to it.
That's your guys' bike.
That's
Look at all this. Yo, what the? Oh, like, hold this for the camera. This.
that's pretty.
See that? It's weird. Can I have it? Oh, I want this right here. The one that my friend has.
Who has that?
JJ. I'm getting that. Mom, can you buy me this? Can you buy me this? It's
$40?
Huh?
$40 for a car?
Can you buy it? Please,
Nah.
please.
Nah.
What about this? What about
Nah.
this? What about this? Yo, does it come with two? Yeah. Come on. This comes with two. And a shoe.
What are you doing, boy?
This is $60.
What are you doing, boy?
You're probably not gonna buy it.
Oh, that one's on sale. How much is that one?
$41.
No way.
$41.
$41.
You can't. It's a little bit blurry, but you can't.
From 60 to 40.
Let me see.
Nah.
Would you buy me that, Mom?
Nah.
Should read about you these.
Oh, Nico, this is the thing that JJ has. That fight. Oh, no, I don't have that. Trash. You're probably not gonna.
Even.
Two?
You want everything, boy. Come on.
$40?
Come on. No, I'm not buying that. Let's go.
That's 30. Yeah, and I can have that. What is this, Lego? Yeah. We're not even gonna play with Lego. We should buy these right now.
Oh, can I get these?
We should buy these right now. Remember these? Yeah.
More candy?
Mom, can you get this?
Green apple and mango candy.
Mom, these are it's Pocky sticks.
Okay.
Can I get these? Let's go.
I found this blanket. It's so soft and it's so big. Oh, it's a full queen. Oh, for 26 bucks.
Not bad.
All right, so we got puffs, which we already opened because we're fatties.
I know some food and puff.
Milano dark chocolate cookies. And these Target brands chocolate sandwich cookies like Oreos.
That I bought.
Chips Ahoy, soft, chewy. And you're not eating this whole thing today.
Stop.
Flaming hot nacho Doritos.
Which one of these? These will probably look good. Yeah.
Cheeto popcorn, guys. I recommend.
Funyuns,
Mom, can you open this? I'll give you open it.
Pockies. And I got this for cleaning, which I'm excited about.
Chili puffs.
Here you go. Do you like those? I love those.
Guys, look at this.
Are you good?
Okay.
These are mine.
You think everything is spicy, girl.
It's so good, guys. Like and subscribe.
Peace out.
No,
Make
don't
sure
turn it off.
to turn on post notifications, subscribe, or you guys get notified every time we upload.
Ow, I just hit myself. You guys see us right over there?
We're gonna go outside, so.
No.